teachers, my friends, and my students, and there is also beautiful nuns. Okay, so today here we have very beautiful, conversation about English. So why I come here today? Because I really want to join here. Actually, normally I want to join whatever you're going to hear, like whatever competition or maybe something like discussion or whatever conference, whatever. But sometimes I don't get time, and we have. So today, actually, I have one class in the morning, but I decided to come here, just look after you how you were here. So when I come here, wow, very nice, all these nuns are surprised. So we have a lot of nuns who they can speak English very well. And we have very good English teacher and very good Nepali teacher. It's surprise, okay? So before, my time in here, we are very loose and we are very poor in English. We really don't know, and we don't have any interesting to learn English that time. Even we cannot say, or we don't talk about like, hello, good morning, how are you, or thank you. We don't say that. So when I was in class 7, so one of the nun teacher from Tibet, he's from Tibet, but she's very good English because she went one university in Scotland, so that's why she's very good. So she asked to us, to the, my classmate, me and my classmate. So she said, can you write from January to December in a spell, correct spell? No, nothing. We are class 7. So what she said, you are nothing. You don't have any position of the class 7, so you should go down in the class 2. So like that, okay. So they were slowly changed a lot from maybe 2003, 4, 5. It's changed a lot. But a little bit, losing our Tibetan language, most important for the nuns and the monks, and who really want to practice about Tibetan Buddhism or Tibetan Buddhism. So this is so sad. So whatever. So now the modern time. So in Tibetan language, Tinra Hindu. So this is little difference. Okay. So maybe time of today. This is just the time of today. So